Hello students, let us do a problem in calculation of beta. Okay. So we know what is beta. Beta is the tendency of the stock to move along with the index. Okay. So what they will give is, they will give you the share price movement for so many days and also the index movement for the similar number of days. We have to calculate beta. So the formula for beta is, let me write it down, beta equals n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Okay. So this you have to memorize. N sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square, and x is the index return. Please remember carefully, x is the index return, y is the share return. Here they have given example of index and Bajaj Auto share, and alpha equals y bar minus beta into x bar. Okay. So beta is the slope, alpha is the intercept. So to calculate alpha we have to use this formula, and see they have given the different days share prices, and x is actually shares return. Okay. So x is the shares return. So what we have to do is, we have to calculate what is the single day return for the index and what is the single day return for the share. Okay. So that is what x and y means here. Okay. So x is the return of index, y is the return of the stock. X is return of index, y is return of share. Now we will see how to calculate return of index and return of share. Okay, you can use this today's share return. So you can take it as share return or index return, whatever. That will be today price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday price into 100. Okay. So today's price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday's price multiplied by 100 will give you one day's return. So with this, for index the same thing, today's price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday's price multiplied by 100. So let us see how to do that. So x is the index return, y is the share price return. Okay. So you can have a table like this. Next you take it as index return, and this is x and this is y, share return. Okay. So index return will be first, for the first date, 846 minus 905 divided by 905. 846 for first one I will just write it, 846 minus, see 846 is, see first day ignore, second day we have today's price is 846 minus yesterday's price is 905 divided by yesterday's price multiplied by 100. You will get the value as minus 6.54. minus 6.54. Okay. So, the first value will be minus 6.54. Similarly, for y 571 minus 598 divided by 598. For y 571 minus 598 divided by 598, that would give you minus 4.52. Okay, minus 4.52. So, like this you do for all the days. Okay. So, this is applicable here. First day you won't get any value because you need 2 days values to do the calculation. Now, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, we have values second 3.37 minus 3.01, 0.14, minus 1.57, minus 1.57, minus 2.28, 3.28, minus 0.95, minus 0.95, 0.47. There may be small changes in calculation, you ignore it. Okay. So, this will be getting values for x, and for y the values would be 2.13, minus 3.96, minus 3.96, minus 0.94, minus 0.94, minus 1.71, minus 1.71, minus 4.76, minus 4.76, 8, 0.04, and 6.5. So, this is the share return for the 9 days. Okay. Now, you find out what is x square and y square. So, x square will be, okay. Say I tell you, you can do it on your own and check the answer. That would help you in learning. Okay. So, x square would be 42.77, 11.36, 9.06, 0.02, 2.46, 5.2, 10.76, 0.9, 0.22. So, this is x square, that is minus 6.454 into minus 6.54, you will get 42.77. Okay. Now, let us see what is y square. It will be 20.43, 4.54, 15.68, 0.88, 2.92, 22.66, 64, 0, 42.25, 42.25, and here we have x into y, x multiplied by y, that you will be getting it as 29.56, 7.18, 11.92, minus 0.13, 2.68, 10.85, 26.24, minus 0.04, 3.06. Okay. So, we will get all these values. So, you have to find out the summation, index return, So, index return x return, that is sigma x equals minus 7.09, share return, that will be 0.78, that is sigma y, and sigma x square is 82.75, sigma y square is 173.36, and sigma xy is 91.32. Okay. So, the calculation part is done. Now, we will see how to apply in the formula, right. So, this you do it meticulously. So, once it is done, we have to apply the values in the formula. We know the formula beta equals n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Please be clear, this is sigma x whole square, that is this whole square. Okay? This is sigma of x square, this one, right. So, be careful. So, n is 9, we have 9 values. So, take it as 9, n sigma xy is 91.3 minus sigma x into sigma y, that would be sigma x is minus 7.09 multiplied by sigma y is 0.78, 0.78 0.78 divided by n is 9 into sigma of x square is 82.75. Okay. Sigma of x square is 82.75 minus sigma x is 7.09 whole square. Okay. If you solve that, you will be getting 1.19. Okay. So, beta is 1.19 for Bajaj Auto shares with the 9 days, 10 days data. Okay. Now, let us find out what is alpha. So, the formula for alpha is y bar minus beta into x bar minus beta into x bar, that would be y bar is average of y. So, we know 0.7/8 is the total, sigma is sigma of y is 0.78 divided by 9, you will get it as 0.086, and x bar will be again 7.09 divided by 9, x bar would be minus 7.09 okay, divided by 9, that would be minus 0.79. Okay. So, alpha would be 0.086, that is y bar 0.086 minus beta is 1.19 multiplied by minus of 0.79. When you solve this, you will get it as 1.02. So, we have calculated both alpha and beta, that is slope and the intercept. Okay. Thank you.